Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the roots of the polynomial, that is exercise 2.2. Exercise 2.2, in which the first question is find the value of polynomial. Polynomial is px is equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3. We write it as decreasing order, that is minus 4x square plus 5x plus 3. In this first we find the value at x is equal to 0. This means x is equal to 0, t0 minus 4, 0 square plus 5 into 0 plus 3. 0 plus 0 plus 3 equals to 3. This means the value at x is equal to 0 is 3, and at x is equal to minus 1 we put the value of x is minus 1 whole square 5 into minus 1 plus 3. This is minus 4 minus 5 plus 3 minus 9 plus 6 which is minus 3 9 plus 3 which is minus 6, and the last one is at x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. The value of polynomial is 4 2 whole square 5 into 2 plus 3. This is 16 plus 10 plus 3 minus 16 plus 13 which is minus 3. In question number 2, find P0, P1 and P2. In question first, the polynomial is Py is equal to y square minus y plus 1. First we put y is equal to 0. This means 0 square plus 0 plus 1 which is equal to 1. Then we find P1, 1 square 1 plus 1, this cancel out, this is equal to 1. Then we find P2 which is 2 square minus 2 plus 1, 4 minus 2 plus 1, 5 minus 2 equals to 3. This is the solution of question number 1. In second part, the polynomial is Pt is equal to 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. We write it as decreasing order, t cube 2t square plus t plus 2. First we find t0. T0, we put the value of t is 0. This is 0, 0 plus 2. This is equal to 2. Then we find P1 minus 1 cube plus 2 into 1 square plus 1 plus 2. This is minus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2. This cancel out. This is equal to 4. Then we find P2 2 whole cube plus 2 square plus 2 plus 2. This is minus 8 plus 8 plus 4 equals to 4. This is the solution of question number 2. In third question, the polynomial is x cube. Here we first find P0, 0 cube is 0. Then we find P1 which is 1 whole cube equals to 1. Then we find P2, 2 whole cube which is equal to 8. In the next question, the polynomial is, in question number 4, the polynomial is Px equals to x minus 1, x plus 1. Here we put first x is equal to 0, 0 minus 1, 0 plus 1, which is equal to minus 1. Then we put P1, 1 minus 1, 1 plus 1. 0 into 2 is 0. Then we find P2, 2 minus 1, 2 plus 1. 1 into 3 is 3. This is the solution of question number 2. In third question, verify whether the following are the zeros of the polynomials or not. For zeros of polynomial, we put the value of x in the given polynomial. If the polynomial is 0, then it is the solution, otherwise not. In this question, x is equal to minus 1 by 3. The given polynomial is 3x plus 1. Here we put x is equal to means 1 by 3, then 3 into means 1 by 3 plus 1. This is cancel out. Means 1 plus 1 is 0. So yes, it is the root of the polynomial. In second part, px is equal to 5x means 5 and value of x is 4 by 5. Here value of x is pi upon 5. In this polynomial is 5x means 5. When we put value pi upon 5, that is 5, x is pi upon 5 means 5. This cancel out, pi means pi is 0. So yes, it is the root of the given polynomial. In question number 3, px is x square means 1. We check x is equal to 1 and means 1. So the given polynomial is x square means 1. When we put x is equal to 1, then 1 square means 1 equals to 0. When we put x is equal to means 1 square means 1, again 0. So answer is yes, it is the factor of the given polynomial. It is the 0. In question number 4, px is x plus 1, x means 2. Here value of x is means 1 and 2. Here we first put x is equal to means 1. Then this is means 1 plus 1. This is means 1 means 2. 0 into means 3 which is equal to 0. Then we find p2. 2 plus 1, 2 means 2. This is 3 into 0, again 0. So the given polynomial is 0. This means it is the factor. It is the 0. In the next question, that is fifth part. In fifth part, the polynomial is px is equal to x square. We check that x is equal to 0. Is it factor or not? For this, px is equal to x square. When we put x is equal to 0, 0 whole square equal to 0. So answer is yes. X is equal to 0 is a factor of this polynomial. In sixth part, the question is px is lx plus m. We check that x is equal to means m by l. So in the given polynomial lx plus m, we first put x is equal to m by l. X is m by l plus m. This cancel out. This is m plus m. Cancel out 0. So answer is again yes. The root x is equal to means l by m by l is a factor of the given polynomial. In the seventh question, the statement is px is equal to 3x square means 1. We have checked x is equal to 1 upon root 3 or 2 by root 3 is its root or not. For this, px is 3x square means 1. Value of x is means 1 upon under root 3. This means means 1 upon under root 3 whole square means 1. This is 1 upon 3 means 1. This cancel out equals to 0. When we check 2 by root 3, this means 3 into 2 by root 3 whole square means 1. This is 4 upon 3 means 1. This cancel out. This is 3, which is not equal to 0. So x is equal to 1 by means 1 by root 3 is its 0, is its root, but 2 by root 3 is not its root. In the question number 4, fourth one is find the zeros of the polynomial. Find the zeros of the polynomial. First question is px equals to x plus 5. For zeros, we put px equals to 0. This means x plus 5 equals to 0. X is equal to means 5. So x is equal to means 5 is its 0. In question number second, px is x means 5. For zeros, we put the polynomial equals to 0. X means 5 equals to 0. Then x is equal to 5. In third question, Px is 2x plus 5. Here we put the polynomial equals to 0. This means 2x plus 5 equals to 0. 2x is minus 5. Then x is minus 5 on 2. It is the 0 of the polynomial. In fourth question, polynomial is 3x minus 2. In this question, first we put px is equal to 0 for zeros. This is equal to 0. 3x is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 by 3. This means 2 by 3 is the 0 of given polynomial. In fifth part, the statement is ex is equal to 3. For zeros of polynomial, put ex equal to 0. Ex equal to 0, so x is equal to 0. These are the solutions of this exercise 2.2.